Tatiana. So guys, this is a hair tutorial. To be honest, when I first saw how to do this extra curly volume hairstyle, I was so much surprised because it is so easy to do, it is very comfortable while the process of curling, and wow, it gives a very nice result. I'll put a link to the makeup tutorial in the description box down below. If you will be interested, well, you are welcome to watch. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, push the thumb up and little bell button. So let's not waste the time and curl it. So we're gonna need soft curlers like so. They're extremely cheap and affordable, I think, in every country. 1 spiral hair tie, 8 hairpins, hair mousse, and hair fixing spray with a high level of fixation. Before drying your hair, make sure you spray the hair mousse on the roots and along the whole hair. You can dry the hair with the help of the comb or any other way you like. I mean with the help of your hands or even without anything. When the hair is dry, comb it well. So here guys, I want to say that this method of curling will be suitable for any type of hair, I mean thick or thin. For example, you can look on mine, if I collect it, like so, you see I have a rather poor hair. Nevertheless, the result will be fantastic. Important thing here guys, to use a special spiral tie. In this case, it will not leave a mark on your hair, you know, those broken parts which you can see when you take it off. And tie it up right on the center of your head. So separating the hair into 2 sections. And each that section into more 4 sections. Prepare the first mouth section. Grab the hair around the curler and fix it with a hairpin. In this curling method, it actually doesn't matter you curl outwards or towards the face. The more important here is to roll it all the way up to a spiral tie. So I'm repeating the technique all around the hair. Now it's time for fixation. So this is how it looks. You can leave it for 3 or 4 hours, or just to do it before sleeping for the night. You can sleep on the left side, on the right side, on the back side, or even your face to the pillow. It doesn't matter because it's really a very comfortable method, and the result will be very surprising. I will meet you in 3 hours and you will see whether I was right or wrong. So time have passed. Now I'm going to take off all my curlers. As you can see, curls are super tight, but soon we will make them nice and flowy. Next step is very important, so you should follow the instructions. Lean with your hair down, then take a section and separate it like so. Pull the highest part up, then do the same with the middle one and with the lower one. Other words, we're separating the sections by pulling them up in 3 places: near the roots, middle part, and the hair tips. Shake the hair a little to give some extra volume and fix the result. Then you can go ahead and create a parting of the hair. I like a side parting. And just look at the result. Guys, if you want to know how to create this makeup look, I will leave the link in the description. Stay healthy and see you in my next one.